Hey people, it's me, Daniel. You know me. Got a Proto Matrix 05. Getting ready to shoot it outside. Has a carbon fiber 68 3000 compressed air tank. Original, stock barrel with the Halo B loader. Got around this whole kit got around 200 bucks. Craigslist. Let me shoot it right now. Oh, of course, shooting the Crushers paintballs, man.